Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at the mark of 15,163 level with a decent weekly gain of 238 points, or in terms of percentage 1.60% gain. What we have observed in this week is that the Nifty was able to maintain its higher top higher bottom formation, specifically on weekly charts, and the most important thing to note is that on the daily chart the Nifty never closed below the mark of 15,100 during the entire week, which indicates a strong positive undertone in the market. This week also the market was able to establish a new lifetime high at the level of 15,257. Talking about the daily momentum indicator, which are once again sustaining above the mark of 55, which indicates strengthening and positive momentum at least in the short to medium term. Regarding support and resistance level, important support level for the market is placed at 14,977, which is the weekly low, while on the higher side major supply is placed in the zone of 15,257 and above that at 15,500 or even 15,838. Seeing the current scenario in the market, the broader strategy should be specifically to buy on weakness, specifically near the support level with strict stop losses. Traders are advised to keep a strict stop loss of 14,753 for all their existing as well as fresh new long positions. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. The first one is Laurus Lab Limited. The current closing market price is 375.65. One can buy this stock on minor dip in the zone of 372 with a stop loss placing at 356. This stock has an upside potential up to 400 rupees. Second stock, which seems to be quite strong from a technical perspective, is IDFC Limited. The current market price is 50 rupees 60 paisa. One can buy on dip around 50 rupees with a stop loss placing at 46 rupees for an upside potential of 60 rupees. So that's it for the current week. See you on next Friday. Thank you very much for joining us.